Chapter 6. Reaching the age of adolescence. Quick fiend focus. Changes during puberty. Secondary sexual characters. Role of hormones in initiating reproduction. Reproductive phase in humans. Sex determination. Reproductive health. Growth is the natural phenomenon in humans and all living things. After taking birth, a baby starts growing. The various stages of growth in humans are infancy, childhood, adolescence and adulthood. During adolescence, the body of a boy and a girl undergoes many changes leading to reproductive maturity. During this period, there are visible physical changes in boys and girls. Puberty is a time when a teenager's body starts turning into an adult's body and attains sexual maturity. When an adolescent reaches reproductive maturity, puberty ends. Changes during puberty. During puberty, a boy or girl grow very rapidly and her physical and psychological changes take place. All these changes are controlled by hormones in his body. Let us discuss changes during puberty in boys and girls. Increase in height. There is a sudden increase in height of boys and girls due to elongation of the long bones of the legs and arms. Following table shows the percentage growth in the height of boys and girls at different ages. It is clear from the table that initially girls grow faster than boys, but both reach their maximum height around the age of 18 years. Two factors that determine the height of boys and girls are the genes they inherit from their parents and the kind of food they eat during this period. It is important to eat nutritious food during this period. Percentage growth in height of boys and girls with age. Age, years. Percent of maximum height. Girls. Boys. 8. 77. 72. 9. 81. 75. 10. 84. 78. 11. 88. 81. 12. 91. 84. 13. 95, 88, 14, 98, 92, 15, 98, 95, 16, 99.5, 98, 17, 100, 99, 18, 100, 100. Change in body shape. The change in the body shape of a boy and a girl is the easily noticeable change that occurs during puberty. The growth of muscles in boys is more prominent than in girls. The shoulders of boys becomes broad and the chest become wide. On the other hand, in girls the region below the waist becomes wider. Change in voice. Have you ever noticed that the voice of boys starts to crack and becomes deeper while the voice of girls becomes sweet? Why so? Let us discuss. Before puberty, the larynx of boys and girls is nearly equally small. The voice box, or larynx, grows in both sexes. The growth is far more prominent in boys, causing the male voice to crack and deepen. This is caused due to a hormone called testosterone. The voice in boys is seen protruding in the throat region. This is called Adam's apple. The voice box is not visible in girls, as it is moderately smaller in size. So, the voice in girls becomes high-pitched. Increase in the activity of sweat and oil glands. You may have observed pimples and acne on the face of some of your friends. Pimples appear again and again during puberty. This is due to the sweat and oil glands become very active during puberty, especially on the face. This leads to the appearance of pimples and acne on the face. Development of sex organs. The sex organs develop fully and reach sexual maturity during puberty. In boys, the testes and penis become fully developed. In girls, the ovaries becomes enlarged which start releasing eggs every month. This leads to the start of menstrual cycle, reaching mental, intellectual and emotional maturity. On reaching the age of adolescence, there are considerable changes in the way of thinking in both boys and girls. Adolescents become more self-conscious and independent. They start thinking for themselves. This is the proper time for most people for learning because their brain's capacity is the greatest. During this period, many persons start feeling insecure and take time to adjust to the changes in their body and mind. These changes are a part of growth, so they should not feel insecure during this period. It is also very common in adolescents to develop attraction towards the opposite sex. Psychological changes. Adolescents also undergo some kind of psychological changes during puberty. Due to various feeling, frequent changes in the mood is common in adolescents. At some moment they may be sulking and the next moment they may be upbeat, irritated or tensed. Secondary sexual characters. The external characters that develop during puberty in a male and female are called secondary sexual characters. Secondary sexual characters in boys. Hair develop under the armpits, on the chest and in the pubic region. Facial hair develop in the form mustache and beard. Secondary sexual characters in girls. Hair develop under the arms and in the pubic region. The region below the waist becomes wider and breasts develop. The development of secondary sexual characteristics and the other changes are controlled by hormones. These are chemical substances secreted by the endocrine glands. Endocrine glands are the special organs in our body that secrete hormones directly into the blood rather than through a duct. So, they are also called ductless glands. The blood carries the hormones to the target site inside the body. Different endocrine glands located in different parts of the human body form the endocrine system. They secrete different types of hormones that play a very important role in the growth and development of body. Different endocrine glands, their location, hormones secreted by them and their functions are given in the following table. Location of endocrine glands, hormones secreted by them and their functions. Gland, location, hormone, functions. 1. Pituitary, master gland, at the base of the brain. Several hormones including growth hormone, GH, thyroid stimulating hormone, TSH. A. Stimulates thyroid for thyroxine production. B. Controls normal growth. C. Controls the activity of other endocrine glands. Hence it is called the master gland. 2. Adrenal, near the kidneys. Adrenaline. A. Maintains the level of salt in the blood. B. Controls blood pressure. C. Helps body to fight stress and emergency situations. Hence, it is called the emergency hormone. 3. Pancreas, near the liver. Insulin. Regulates the level of sugar. Lack of insulin causes diabetes. 4. Thyroid. At the base of throat, in the neck. Thyroxine. A. Stimulates metabolism and growth rate. B. Lack of thyroxine causes goiter. 5. Testes. 2 in number. Male genital organs. Testosterone. Development of secondary sexual characters in males. 6. Ovaries, 2 in number. In the pelvic reins of females. Estrogen, progesterone. Development of secondary sexual characters in females. Maintains the growth of uterus during pregnancy. Role of hormones in initiating reproduction. The development of secondary sexual characteristics is controlled by the sex hormones testosterone in boys and estrogen in girls. Testosterone is the male sex hormone secreted by the testes, while estrogen is the female sex hormone secreted by the ovaries. The production of both these hormones is controlled by the pituitary gland. It is located at the base of the brain. The onset of puberty is controlled by hormones. Pituitary gland release hormones which stimulate the testes, ovaries. This makes the testes to release testosterone in males and ovaries to release estrogen in females. The sex hormones reach the specific part of the body called the target site through the blood. The hormones stimulate changes in the body. Importance of hormones in life cycle of animals. You have learnt about metamorphosis in insects and in frogs. In insects, metamorphosis is controlled by insect hormones. In frogs, it is controlled by thyroxine that is produced by the thyroid glands. The presence of iodine in water is essential for thyroxine to be produced. Tadpoles cannot become adults if they grow in water that is lack of iodine. Try these. Answer these questions in short. 1. What is Adam's apple? 2. What are secondary sexual characters? 3. What is responsible for secondary sexual characters? 4. Name the master gland of the body. 5. Name the various stages of growth in human beings. 6. Define puberty and adolescence. 7. List 3 changes that occur during puberty. Reproductive phase in humans. An adolescent becomes reproductive only when the testes and ovaries start producing gametes. The reproductive phase in girls begins at the age of 11 to 12 years, while in boys it starts at the age of 13 to 14 years. In females, capacity to produce gametes lasts till the age of 45 to 50 years, but lasts for a much longer time in males till he is healthy. In females, one of the 2 ovaries produces an egg, or ovum, which is released once in every 28 to 30 days. The process to release a mature ovum by an ovary is called ovulation. During the period of 28 to 30 days, the wall of the uterus becomes thick to receive the egg. When the egg gets fertilized by sperm, it results in pregnancy. If the egg is not fertilized by the sperm, then the lining of the uterus wall with blood vessels breaks and passes out of the vagina with the unfertilized egg, resulting in bleeding. This is called menstruation. Menstruation occurs for 4 to 5 days after every 28 to 30 days. The beginning of menstruation at puberty is called menarche. In the beginning, menstrual cycle may be irregular, but after some time it becomes regular. Menstruation stops at the age of 45 to 50 years. The permanent stoppage of menstruation is called menopause. Sex determination. You have learned that chromosomes present in the nucleus have genetic material on them. Every healthy human being has 23 pairs of chromosomes. The 23rd pair of chromosomes differ in males and female. In males it consists of X and Y, XY, chromosomes. In females it is X and X, XX, chromosomes. This 23rd pair is called sex chromosomes. The gametes, sperm or egg, have only one set of chromosomes. Hence, an egg always carries an X chromosome, but a sperm may carry either X or Y chromosome. When an egg and sperm fuse, it is the 23rd chromosome that determines the sex of the baby. If a sperm-carrying X chromosome fertilizes an egg, the baby will be a girl. If a sperm-carrying Y chromosome fertilizes an egg, the baby will be a boy. It is thus clear that the sex of an unborn baby, either male or female, depends on the sperms of the father and not the mother. Reproductive health. A person is said to be healthy if she is physically and mentally fit. You have learnt in junior classes that to keep the body healthy, it is important to eat a balanced diet. An adolescent must eat a healthy and balanced diet, as it is the age of rapid growth and development. The diet should include proteins, carbohydrates, fats, minerals and vitamins in sufficient quantity. An adolescent must eat bread, rice, pulses, vegetable. Milk should also be included in the daily diet as it is considered a complete food in itself. Fruits and green vegetables are a rich source of vitamins and minerals. Iron-rich food like green leafy vegetables, jaggery and amla are also essential in daily diet. Iron is needed to build blood. Junk foods like chips, packed and tinned snacks may be very tasty, but they do not have adequate nutrition. So, these should be avoided. Activity 1. Make groups of 4 and fill the table below and discuss whether you are eating a balanced diet or not. Name. Meal taken in the morning. Nutrients present in the meal. Meal taken at noon. Nutrients present in the meal. Meal taken at night. Nutrients present in the meal. Personal hygiene. It is essential to have personal hygiene. A teenager must essentially take care of his own body. The body of adolescents smell due to the increased activity of sweat glands. It is thus important to have a bath daily. Girls must take special care about personal hygiene during menstrual cycle. Chances of bacterial infection increase if cleanliness is not maintained. Physical exercise. Physical exercises is to keep our body fit. Teenagers must walk and exercise regularly. They should play outdoor games instead of spending time on the internet and other indoor activities. Keep away from drugs. Drugs are chemical substances that produce changes in the physical, mental and behavioral setup of an individual. Drugs are addictive and harmful for body. It ruins one's body, mind and health. The use of drugs other than medicinal purposes is called drug abuse. Alcohol, nicotine, cocaine and marijuana are examples of drugs. So, always keep away from these things. What is AIDS? Acquired immune deficiency syndrome, AIDS, is a non-curable disease caused by the HIV virus. This virus destroys the defense mechanism of the body. It can pass from an infected person to a normal person by sharing syringes used for injecting drugs, blood transfusion, sexual contact with a person infected with HIV virus. It can also pass to an infant from the infected mother. AIDS does not spread by sharing food and shaking hands with infected persons. Social taboos, myths, do's and don'ts. In many societies there are many wrong notions and non-scientific facts followed by the people dies. You have learned how reproduction occurs in human being, the facts related to it. So, you can discard these myths. Some of these myths spread in the society are: the mother is responsible for the sex of the child and is blamed when she gives birth to a girl child. Menstruation is a curse. A girl becomes pregnant by looking at boys during menstruation. Girls prohibited to take bath or wash hair during menstruation. Girls are prohibited to work in the kitchen during menstruation. It is important to discard these myths that lead to a happy life. Adolescence and pregnancy. The legal age of marriage in our country for girls is 18 years and for boys is 21 years. Girls below 18 years are not physically or mentally prepared for motherhood. Early motherhood can cause health problems in both the mother and child. Try these. Select the right word to make sentences correct. 1. The beginning of menstrual cycle at puberty is called menopause, menarche. 2. Hormones are secreted by exocrine, endocrine glands. 3. Pancreas, testes secrete insulin. 4. Thyroid secretes thyroxine, adrenaline. 5. Progesterone is secreted by the ovaries, testes. 6. Nicotine and cocaine are medicines, drugs. 7. The father, mother is responsible for the sex of the child. 8. AIDS is caused by HIV virus, bacteria. Quick recap. The changes which occur during puberty are under the control of growth hormone and sex hormone. During puberty there is an increase in height, change in body shape and voice, increased activity of sweat and oil glands, development of sex organs, and the person attains intellectual and emotional maturity. Secondary sexual characters also develop during puberty that help to distinguish a male from a female. An egg is produced by the ovary every 28 days. If the egg produced by an ovary is fertilized by a sperm, it leads to pregnancy. If the egg is not fertilized, menstruation occurs. The 23rd pair of chromosome called sex chromosome determines the sex of a child. For a healthy growth, it is essential for adolescents to eat a balanced diet and exercise regularly. Adolescence is the period of life when the body undergoes changes that lead to reproductive maturity. Puberty is the time when a child's body starts turning into an adult's body. There are several endocrine glands located in different parts of the body. They secrete different hormones, which play an important role in the growth and development of an individual.